What's going on, everybody? Tim Roberts here, author of the I Know a Hero book series, and today I just want to discuss with you all of the great features that come with this amazing book series. Here we go. The first feature that I would like to discuss with you all is the fact that 5% of every single one of these books' profits goes straight to Autism Speaks in dedication to my autistic sister, Tyler Roberts. Now, the second feature is this amazingly cool addition that's in the back of every single book, which is this QR code. Right? And this QR code has 3 links. The first link is for you to be able to go to Amazon or the incubatorcle.com to purchase another book. The second link in the QR code is actually going to lead kids to a YouTube channel. Now that YouTube channel is actually going to display videos that show step-by-step processes to attain each career that they see in the books. Now the third link, and the link that I'm most excited about, is actually the I Know a Hero database. Now the I Know a Hero database is actually a mentorship server. Children will be able to go to the link, be able to fill out a survey, and based on whatever career or occupation that they like the most in the book, they'll be able to click that and highlight that, and I'll be able to personally put them in contact with a mentor in that specific field of interest. So with all of this being said, I want for you to go click the link in my bio, the link under this video, or just shoot me a DM if you would like yourself a copy of any book in the I Know a Hero book series today. Thank you.